I forced a bot to watch over 1,000 hours of Transformer movies, then asked it to write a Transformer movie of its own. Here's the first page. Transformers 6. Cars become other cars. We're in a junkyard late at night. A guy with hair locks the gate to the junkyard. Guy with hair.
Good night, junkyard. I have to go to my daughter's birthday party.
He lies. The guy doesn't have a daughter, and if he did, she wouldn't have a birthday. He falls off a cliff. You see a 1996 Toyota Camry parked next to a 2003 Hyundai Elantra. We think they're normal cars, but we are stupid. They're Transformers. The 1996 Camry.
The humans have left.
The Elantra says,
Yes, we can now transform into our true identities.
the 1996 Toyota Camry transforms into a 1998 Toyota Camry. The 1998 Camry says,
I have transformed. It's your turn.
the 2003 Elantra transforms into a DVD of Pixar's Cars 2. The DVD of Cars 2 says,
I have transformed.
the 1998 Camry says,
Now we wait for Optimus Prime.
they wait 3 years. An Uber drives up to the junkyard's gate. The 1998 Camry says,
Optimus Prime is here.
then the Uber says,
It is I, Optimus Prime. I must transform.
the Uber transforms into a lift. The lift says,
Now, let's Shia LaBeouf.
the car's all Shia LaBeouf until they run out of gas. I'm not sure if I pronounced that guy's name right. Shia LaBeouf, I'm not sure. I'm sure I might catch that later. Oh well. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed the stupidity of it. If you guys liked it, please tell me, but I would like to hear y'all's comments. Thank you all again, and I'll see you guys again soon. Thanks. Bye.